So, welcome friends, welcome to Suraj K classes, and today our topic is this. This one is the topic that you have definitely seen before watching this video, before starting this, that what is voltage and what is current. So, two terms. There are two terms. One is voltage and one is current. So why we are going to discuss about this, I will tell you later in this video. But first of all, I want to hear from you that what you think about these two terms, because in your life this comes so many times you have heard speaking someone that you want some equipment of that much of voltage or that much of current you want, or sometimes you say the power rating, like you want something of 10 watt, 50 watt, 100 watt. So actually power, that is a different term we will discuss in some other video, but in this video we will clear out your doubt regarding this voltage and current. So one of the good thing about this video is you will have some good electrical equipments, good electrical knowledge, pictures in between, and I will also explain you what that is about, and parallelly we will also learn about this voltage and current. So first of all, I would like to write down here that there are two terms. One is voltage, the another one is current. This is very much confusing. This is what? Very confusing. People used to get confused between these two, that what the voltage is, what the current is. So let me start with a simple explanation. If you have any equipment right now in your hand, or anything in your hand, or anything you see, just go to the electrical description of that particular equipment or particular, just take an example of a lamp. So where something is written like 230 volt, V stands for volt. Let's assume it is written like 230 volt, 1 ampere. A stands for ampere, and ampere is what? Ampere is unit of current. Ampere is unit of current, and V means voltage, and V is having voltage having unit this V only. Okay, so these two things you will generally get from out of any equipment you see around you, any equipment, electrical equipment you see. Without these two parameters, the electrical equipment cannot work. So there is a major difference between these two. It is not like they are similar or alike. They are so much different from each other. But if we go by the waveform, then they both have sinusoidal waveform. They both form sinusoidal waveform. Whether it is a voltage, whether it is a current, both are having similar waveform pattern. So you cannot differentiate these two by waveform. So how you can differentiate? See, this is a power plant. As I told you, I will also do some electrical information sharing in between the slides. So this is one of the random image that is appearing. It is actually a thermal power plant. Thermal power plant, and it works on coal as a fuel, and gives you electricity. Okay, so this is a short introduction regarding this. Let's come back to our main topic, that is of voltage and current. Voltage and current. So voltage, that stands for V, current, that stands for I. Now voltage is nothing but the potential between the two terminals. It is what? The potential difference between two terminals. How? See, whenever you are going to measure the voltage in this your 3-pin socket, this one stands for phase, this one for neutral, and if you are measuring these two, then you will get 230 volt in between. You will get 230 volt. That is nothing but the voltage. If I am going to compare this voltage with the pressure, then this is a similar type of phenomena. If you are having, like, see, there is a let's suppose this is the tank, water tank, right? And this is right at your top of the roof. This is your house. Let's assume this is your house, and there is one tap, or the pipe is going, and there is one tap here, there is one tap here. So this is your tap, okay, this is your tap, this is your pipe. So whenever you are opening the tap, then this tap gives you the water. This is what? Giving you the water. And that water is having some pressure. And that pressure is coming from the height of the tank. So we are not going actually into that much depth. But for now, let's understand the concept. The pressure that you are having at the release of water, that is nothing, you can compare it with the voltage. And the water that is actually flowing, that is nothing but current. The quantity of water that is flowing, let me make it broad for you here. See, this is your water volume. You can say this is current, and the pressure through which it is flowing through the pipe, that is nothing but your voltage. So now I hope in layman language I have defined these two quantities, what the voltage is and what the current is. I hope it has made both theories clear for you, that what the voltage is and what the current is in simple terminology. Now you may think that why we are keeping only 230 volts. So there is no there is no solid reason behind this. This is just the standard, the optimum, you can say, optimum level of voltage that is required for the operation of the equipments with better efficiency, you can say. So that has been discovered a long back, and scientists have done so many research on this. So they have come up with this voltage level, and there is a reason why we are using this. And in European country, you see there is a voltage level of 110 volt, 110 volt, 110 volt. So that is their voltage level. So there are certain advantages of using higher voltage level. There are certain disadvantages of using at the same time. But voltage and current both are different. Current is something that is consumed by the electrical appliance for purpose of the operation. Voltage is the potential difference to push the electricity through the equipment. I hope the both things are now clear to you guys, and we have made the definitions clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you again, and just tell me in my comment box if you want the detailed definition and explanation on these two quantities in technical terms also. Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching this. We will meet again.